So in this video I'm going to show you how you can increase an amount by a percentage, show you two different methods, and then I'm going to do a third question using a method that I prefer. So the first method is actually the one that I prefer, but it's a little bit tricky if you don't find percentages easy. So if I'm increasing by 7%, I've got to think that I had 100% to start with, and I've added on 7%. And so this gives me 107% of what I had to start with. If I'm comfortable with that, and I'm comfortable with changing that into a decimal, then all I need to do is to multiply my original amount by 1.07 to add on 7%. And so if I do that, let's just do that on the calculator. That's the thing, so bear with me a second. I'm getting better at this. Right, good. So I clear that. So I've got my 250 times 1.07, and that adds on 7%. So I've got £267.50. Now, if you practice writing out increase by percentages, and we'll show a few more, isn't really that hard. You've just got to remember that you have a 1. But when you're increasing, you have a 1 instead of a 0. I'll show that in the next part. Method 2 is a longer way, but a lot of people sort of find this easy to understand. First of all, find 7%. So you do 250 times 0.07. So you do that on the calculator. So if we do that, we've got 250 times 0.07 equals £17.50. Now, a lot of people make the mistake of leaving that as the answer. Now, I've not increased £250 if I write my answer as £17.50. Just for the moment, I'm leaving the pounds somewhere. I'll put it on the final answer. So I have to remember then to do 250 plus £17.50. If I do that, I won't bother showing you how to do that on a calculator. I'm sure you can do that. I'll get the same answer as before, £267.50. Now, I said I'd use my preferred method on another example. So let's say increase 6,500 by 23%. So it's 6,500 times 1. You must remember that one, because we're increasing. We need the 1 there to carry the 6,500 through. And then the decimal bit will add on the 23%. As long as I can remember my decimal equivalent, I can answer these questions very quickly indeed. So let's just do that. And remember, our answer must be more than 6,500 if we're increasing. Times 1.23. So the end was a bit bad for you, but you can see that I've typed through there. And I'll get it equals £7,995. 7,995. So that is increasing an amount by a percentage.